Ready for adventure? Dive into the top day trips from Entebbe and explore beautiful landscapes, historic destinations, and outdoor activities.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Depart from Entebbe in the morning after breakfast and commence the journey towards Bwindi Impenetrable National Park. During this drive, make a brief stop at the equator for an informative talk and a photographic opportunity. Proceed to Mombara, where you will have a lunch break. Following the meal, continue driving towards Bwindi Impenetrable Forest, home to the renowned mountain gorillas and their natural habitat. Upon arrival, check into your accommodation for the night. Start the day with a hearty breakfast, followed by a briefing session about the gorilla trekking expedition. Uganda, affectionately referred to as the Pearl of Africa, is a landlocked nation nestled in the heart of East Africa, home to an unparalleled array of African fauna. This country boasts some of the world's most diverse and densely populated animal species, including the critically endangered common chimpanzee. Upon arrival in Entebbe International Airport, travelers embark upon their journey through the enchanting Toronto Territory. Lake Omburo National Park, Dodai. Nestled in the western region of Uganda, this vast expanse spans approximately 260 square kilometers. Guide your group to the designated meeting point for a meticulously planned 3-hour walking tour through Entebbe. Embark on a journey to explore both renowned and lesser-known landmarks, starting with the Freedom Tree, where you will have the opportunity to witness firsthand the historical significance of this iconic structure. Next, venture into the Roxy area of Namezi Road to indulge in the local delicacy, the Roxy snack. This traditional dish consists of a combination of vegetables, an omelette, and a chapati, which is prepared under the watchful eye of knowledgeable vendors. After sampling the Roxy, consider opting for an additional cost to gain insight into its preparation process. Upon arrival in Kampala, proceed to Kibale Forest National Park via a 5-6 hour drive. Upon reaching the park, check into your accommodation, which is located at Kibale Forest Camp. For the remainder of the evening, engage in leisure activities as desired. Begin the day by embarking on a forest walk for chimpanzee tracking early in the morning. Following this, have a lunch break before transferring to Queen Elizabeth National Park, approximately 2-3 hours away. Upon arrival at Queen Elizabeth National Park, check into your lodge. After settling in, embark on an evening game drive on the Savannah Plains. Return to your lodge or continue overnight. Start your day with an early morning game drive at Queen Elizabeth National Park. Starting the journey with a transfer from Kigali to Mgahinga Forest, we make a brief detour to visit the Kigali Genocide Memorialis. Poignant site honors the victims of the 1994 genocide, offering an extensive overview of the tragic events leading up to and during the conflict, detailing the atrocities committed and the subsequent efforts towards reconciliation and healing. Exhibits, personal narratives, and a tranquil garden provide visitors with a profound sense of respect. Following this reflection, we proceed to Uganda via Musanze town, crossing the Cyanika border. Upon arrival in Kizoro town, we settle into our accommodation at Ichumbi Hotel. The second day begins with a thrilling gorilla trekking experience. Description: starting from Entebbe International Airport, guests will be met by our dedicated guide driver. Upon arrival, they will assist with luggage and proceed towards western Uganda, traversing through picturesque landscapes, including rolling hills and cultivated terraces. Upon reaching Mbarara, travelers will enjoy a scenic stopover for an en route lunch. After settling into their accommodations, guests embark on an early morning game drive within Lake Omburo National Park. This excursion offers opportunities to observe diverse wildlife such as bushbucks, bush duikers, impalas, zebras, giraffes, Uganda kob, and elephants. The best time to visit is during June to August or December to February, when weather conditions are optimal.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.